In this video, I'm going to show you how to jump channels on YouTube TV so you can quickly switch between your favorite networks or shows without missing a beat. Let's get started. Whether you're watching live TV or browsing on-demand content, YouTube TV makes it easy to navigate and jump between channels seamlessly. The fastest way to jump channels is by using the Live tab. From the home screen of the YouTube TV app or website, click on the Live tab to see a scrollable list of all available channels currently airing live content. Simply scroll through the lineup or use the search bar to find the specific channel you want. Clicking on a channel will immediately start playing its live stream, allowing you to jump from one network to another in seconds. For even quicker access, use the Channel Guide feature. On most devices, press the Guide button on your remote or keyboard to bring up an A to Z list of all available channels. Use the arrow keys or swipe to browse. Then select the channel you'd like to watch. Some devices also support voice commands. Just say something like, "Watch ESPN" to jump directly to that channel. If you frequently watch certain channels, consider adding them to your favorites. While viewing a channel, look for the star icon or Add to Favorites option. Once added, these channels will appear at the top of your Live tab under a Favorites section, making it easier to jump between your go-to networks. Finally, if you're switching between multiple channels often, take advantage of the Recent section in the Live tab. This displays the last few channels you've watched, allowing you to toggle back and forth effortlessly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope jumping channels on YouTube TV is now quick and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.